If you want to save the same file into multiple folders in Google Drive, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to make one file appear in more than one folder by using shortcuts in Google Drive. This is super useful if you organize your work by project, client, class, or team, because it lets you keep the same file in multiple places without uploading duplicates. That means less clutter, less confusion, and much easier file management. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com, then sign in with your Google account. Once you're inside Google Drive, find the file you want to save to multiple folders. Click on the file once to select it. After that, look to the right side of the file and click the three-dot menu. This opens the list of actions for that file. From the menu, click Organize. In some accounts, you may see this option as a way to move or add the file to folders, but what you want here is the shortcut option. Next, click Add Shortcut. This is the key step because Google Drive doesn't actually duplicate the file. Instead, it creates a shortcut which lets the same file appear inside another folder. Now choose the folder where you want the file to appear. Once you find the folder, click Add next to it. If you want the file to show up in more than one place, just repeat the same process again. Go back and click the file once more. Open the three-dot menu again, click Organize again, and then select Add Shortcut again. Then choose another folder and click Add beside that folder too. You can keep doing this for as many folders as you need. This is a great way to keep one master file while making it accessible from multiple folder locations. It's especially helpful when the same document belongs to several teams or when you want quick access from different categories. Just remember, because this is a shortcut and not a separate copy, any changes you make to the original file will reflect everywhere the shortcut appears. So if you edit the file, every folder location will still point to the same updated version. That's exactly what makes this method so powerful. No duplicate files, no messy storage, and no need to upload the same document over and over again. Once you've added the shortcuts to all the folders you want, you're done. Your file is now available in multiple locations inside Google Drive, all while staying organized and easy to manage. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick Google Drive tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.